First, we will see the OnePlus Pad 2. It balances productivity and entertainment, making it a versatile choice for students and multitaskers. Lightweight at around 1.2 pounds and just 6.5 millimeters thick, it's easy to carry and use throughout the day. Its 12.1-inch display boasts 3K resolution and a 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring clear visuals and smooth scrolling for study materials or streaming content. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and Adreno GPU, it delivers fast, efficient performance. The OnePlus Pad 2 brings gaming and productivity to life with its smooth, lag-free performance powered by hyper-rendering technology. Enjoy an immersive gaming experience complemented by high-quality audio from its 6 speakers. Effortlessly switch between tasks with drag-and-drop multitasking, and boost creativity with the optional stylus and magnetic smart keyboard. Its long-lasting battery and fast charging keep you powered through intense gaming sessions and busy days. The HUAWEI MatePad SE11 is a versatile tablet with a sleek design, premium build, and impressive features, making it perfect for work, study, and entertainment. Its unibody is crafted from high-quality aluminum with slim bezels, offering a lightweight and durable design that's easy to carry. The 11-inch Full HD Plus display is certified for low blue light and flicker-free performance, ensuring comfort for your eyes. In addition, the tablet is powered by a 7,700 mAh battery with 22.5-watt fast charging, providing all-day use on a single charge. And with 4 adaptive speakers, it delivers excellent sound quality, tailoring audio for movies, music, gaming, or online classes. For creativity, the included stylus is a plus. It features a comfortable grip and seamless compatibility with the Huawei Notes app for effortless jotting and drawing. Additional features like multi-screen collaboration, split-screen multitasking, and floating windows enhance productivity, making it a robust companion for daily tasks. The MatePad SE11 combines style, performance, and convenience for a seamless experience. The Lenovo Tab M11 is an affordable tablet for students, priced under $200. Its ultra-slim, lightweight design fits easily into backpacks, while the stylish folio case adds protection and features a pen holder and convertible stand. The 11-inch 1920 by 1200 display offers vibrant clarity, and quad Dolby Atmos speakers create an immersive experience, whether studying or streaming content. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, it easily handles multitasking and classwork. With up to 10 hours of battery life and 15-watt charging, it keeps up with your busy schedules. Additional features include a 13-megapixel rear camera, an 8-megapixel front camera, and an ambient light sensor for comfortable screen visibility. While it has relatively slow charging and decent performance, the Lenovo Tab M11's smart features and portability make it a reliable student companion. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE offers a range of impressive features, making it a strong contender in the tablet market. One of its standout advantages is the inclusion of the S Pen, which adds significant value compared to the Galaxy Tab A series. The tablet has a sturdy aluminum finish with a solid build quality that feels premium. It boasts a 10.9-inch 90 Hz IPS LCD display, delivering smoother navigation and better gaming performance than other options. Although it doesn't have the AMOLED display of the higher-end Tab S9, the Tab S9 FE still offers a great visual experience. Powered by the Exynos 1380 processor, this tablet handles daily tasks well, including multitasking and gaming at lower resolutions. Samsung DeX support is also available, providing a desktop-like productivity experience. Additional features like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB-C port with fast charging make it even more versatile. The tablet's battery life is solid, lasting up to 7 hours with regular use. Overall, the Tab S9 FE provides a well-rounded package at its price. Redmi Pad Pro is another great budget pick for students, offering a large screen, strong performance, and features that fit most student needs. Its 12.1-inch display is perfect for studying, taking notes, or streaming lectures and entertainment. The clear visuals and smooth motion make multitasking easy. Weighing 1.28 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, fitting easily into backpacks. The durable, matte finish design resists fingerprints, and rounded edges ensure comfortable handling during long study hours. Plus, it has a headphone jack. The 8-megapixel front camera is ideal for video calls and virtual classes, keeping you centered and clear on screen. Another 8-megapixel rear camera is available if you need it for scanning documents or quick snapshots. With enough power to handle assignments, research, and entertainment, the 10,000 mAh battery lasts all day, and optional accessories like the keyboard and stylus make it even more versatile. It's a perfect study companion for students. Next, we have the Honor Magic Pad 2, a stylish and high-performing tablet featuring a 12.3-inch OLED display. It comes with 8 speakers finely tuned for a premium audio experience, ideal for media lovers. Despite its slim and lightweight design, it packs a hefty 10,000 mAh battery with fast charging for extended use. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it handles tasks effortlessly, whether for work or entertainment. The tablet integrates smoothly with other Honor devices using the Magic Ring feature, allowing easy file sharing and screen mirroring. Magic OS 8 enhances the overall user experience with its smooth interface and productivity tools, making it an excellent choice for students. The Honor Magic Pad 2 also stands out with its premium design, weighing just 1.2 pounds and measuring only 5.5 millimeters thick, making it highly portable. The fiberglass back material ensures it remains light while still maintaining durability. While the keyboard and stylus are sold separately, they provide additional functionality, turning the tablet into an efficient work companion. iPad Air M2 is a stunning blend of performance and practicality designed to elevate your tablet experience. Powered by Apple's M2 chip, it effortlessly handles tasks from video editing to gaming without breaking a sweat. Its versatility is complemented by an expansive 13-inch display, a welcome upgrade for those who crave more screen real estate for multitasking or media consumption. While it doesn't feature the ProMotion display of its pricier sibling, the vivid colors, True Tone technology, and impressive brightness make it a visual delight. The redesigned front-facing camera placement on the landscape side is a thoughtful improvement, perfect for video calls. Pair it with accessories like the Apple Pencil Pro or Magic Keyboard for a seamless creative and productivity experience. It's expensive, but if you're upgrading from an older device or new to iPads, this tablet is surely worth it.